Hey guys, this is Henry here again. How you all doing? Okay, in this video, I'm gonna try to make this video as short as possible. Um, I've gotten a lot of comments saying I should do a video on how to purchase cryptocurrency from Binance. Okay, I just did a video recently on how to um exchange a coin for another. Let's just say, for instance, exchange BTC for BNB and just exchanging coins for each other. So I've done that video. In case you don't know how to exchange coin for coin, you can check in the video I posted last. You'll see a comprehensive tutorial, just a short video where I showed you how you can exchange any coin for whichever. So but on this video right now, we'll be talking about how you can buy cryptocurrency from Binance. Now, as you can see, this is the dashboard. This is the Binance dashboard. As you can see here, you see deposit NGN, bank transfer. This is for Nigerians. NGN means Nigerian Naira. Now the other part is P2P trading. Now this is the one I use more often because it has zero transaction fee. Now if you want to deposit through NGN, let me just click it so you will see how it looks like. This is how it looks like. So you put the amount you want to deposit. Let's just say 15,000 naira. So they charge you 115 naira. Now you get 40. Okay, this is 150,000. This is 15,000. You get 14,850. So when you click continue, click confirm, this is what will happen. They will give you an account number where you copy. Once you copy this account number, go to your normal bank app, send this money. Don't be scared, it is secured, 100% secured. Once you send this money, then you click this I have made this bank transfer. Once you click this I have made this bank transfer, Binance will automatically track the money and they will know it's from you, and they would credit your NGN wallet. Now this is your NGN wallet. This is your NGN wallet. Let me show you. This is the wallet they will credit this. As you can see, it's still 1.00 because I don't have any money here on my NGN, but this is what they will credit. So once they credit this, you see why this format is difficult is because after they've credited this NGN, you still now have to do, let's say for instance, what you want to buy is Ethereum. Do you understand me? So what you will now need to do now is go to the market. You have to click markets, you type NGN. So you see .ngn, BUSD ngn, BTC ngn, link ngn, then you look for ETH ngn, you click it. So once you click it, so right now what you will now want to do is you want to buy Ethereum with the available balance in your NGN. So what you just need to do now is click buy. Once you click buy, as you can see below here, you see AVBL below. Before you get to this buy ETH, that is available balance of NGN that I have. It's just 1 naira. So at it being, let's just say for instance you made the deposit 15,000 naira, will show here. Then you will buy Ethereum worth of that 15,000 or any amount you want to buy. You just add it here, click the amount you want here. Let's say for instance you want to buy 2,000 naira worth of Ethereum from your 15,000 naira. This is the amount of Ethereum you get, 0.00249. Then you click buy. So once they take it, that means you'll be left with 13,000 naira. So but if it is all the 15,000 you want to use in buying the Ethereum, you just click 100%. But since because of I have nothing, you understand. So I believe you understand now. So let's go back. That is if you are depositing through deposit NGN. It's kind of like a little bit stressful because they will first of all credit your NGN wallet, then you now have to do the swap or the exchange to the coin that you want. But if you do P2P, let's click P2P. Now P2P are registered people that Binance have registered that sells cryptocurrency. So this one is a one-way thing. So if you want to buy USDT, BTC, BUSD, BNB, ETH, DAI, whichever you want to buy. So let's just say for instance I want to buy ETH. You understand? So instead of me depositing money from my bank to my NGN, then I'll go and start doing the swapping or the exchanging to ETH. I can just buy from here. These are sellers, people who are ready to sell cryptocurrencies. Now they are backed up by Binance. So let me just walk you through. Now let's say you see this person now. He said limit is from five. The lowest you can buy from this person is 5,000 naira, and the highest you can buy is 497,000 naira. So I think the second person, Ikechi, 5,000 to 500,000. The third person, 6,000 to 856,000. Okay, let's start with this. Buy from this first person. His own is kind of like cheap. You click buy. Once you click buy, now you click the amount. Okay, I want to buy 20,000 worth of Ethereum. So what I'm getting is 0.0241 Ethereum. So what I want to do is I want to click buy. Add prices have been updated. Refresh. Okay, refresh. Okay, what did he do? What did he update? Let me go back again. 20,000. Click buy. Okay, so now this is where it will take you to. Now what you want to do is transfer the fund. Below here, click transfer the fund. So what you want to do now is type one of this is bank address. You understand? It's bank account number. So let me take this Zenith Bank. Let me take this Zenith Bank. So I'm going to send 20,000 naira to this seller. Zenith Bank. I've copied it. So let me go to my Zenith Bank app right now. So this is my Zenith Bank app right now. So I want to transfer money to that guy. I click transfer. Zenith back to Zenith Bank. All right. Let me paste the account number I copied. Okay, my session has expired. Let me log in back. Okay, transfer Zenith Bank, paste. Okay, 20,000 naira for Binance for ETH in Binance. Let me just put it that way. So let me click continue. Okay, yeah, I've successfully transferred this money. So let me just generate. Let me save this in case. Okay, I've saved it. Now all these things I'm doing now is a live buying. So I'm doing everything live. So what I want to click now is transferred. Next. Okay, so as you can see, it is releasing. Expect to receive payment in 13 minutes. So you just have to wait. You just have to wait. You just have to wait. So I don't know if we'll be able to wait this long, but I might have to end this video, then maybe do another one to show you the stuff being filled. Do you understand? So but this is just it. This is what I do it every time. It has never failed. It doesn't fail, guys. So you just have to wait. Okay, thank God. As you can see, P2P order to blah 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 complete, successful, deposited into your wallet. Just click done. Wow, that's great. So now let's go and check our wallet to see if we have the money deposited there. Let's check. Okay, now this is where you need to go to. Okay, let me use this opportunity and show you this. If you check here, you might not see it and you'll be wondering, what is happening? These people didn't credit me. Let me look for ETH. Your ETH here might be okay. Look at it. Ethereum is showing 000. You might be wondering what's happening. Why? Then what you want to do is look at up here. You're seeing spot. Next one is margin. The other one is futures. The next one is P2P. As you can see, I have in my P2P wallet, I have my Ethereum. Do you see? Now it's there already, $40 worth of Ethereum. So what I want to do now is I want to transfer it to my spot account. Yes, transfer everything to my spot account, please. Transfer it to my spot account. Yes, confirm transfer. That's successfully been transferred. Right now my spot account, my P2P account is 0.0. So if I click my spot account, then I should see my Ethereum. My Ethereum should appear now. As you can see, it's already there. Below my NGN, my Ethereum has appeared on my spot account. So that is it, guys. It's as simple as that. So if it is any other currency you want to buy, that's just how you do it. You can deposit through P2P. As simple as that. So I think I'm even seeing another means now. Let me click this ETH. I think I saw something, buy with card or P2P trading. Okay, see P2P trading 0.0 fee, buy with card. Let's click buy with card. Let's see what even happens. Okay, let's see. Instant card. Okay, wow, this is even more better, guys. This is more better. I should have done this. I should have done this. Let's click done and let's see. Continue. Wow, I should have done this, man, guys. I should have done this. Put your card details and blah blah blah. You are done. Wow, so that's two ways. You can either buy through P2P or just click Ethereum or BTC or whichever you want to buy that has that buy with card. Let's see BNB. If BNB has buy with card, wow, BNB has buy with card. Wow, this is what I should have done. But guys, it's still okay. You can either buy through P2P like I've shown you, or buy through your deposit through NGN, which is the longer process, or you just click the cryptocurrency. I'm looking for BTC now. If BTC to have buy with card, wow, then you click buy with card. So these are the ways you can just deposit into your Binance wallet without stress. So I've just shown you 3 different ways right now. So that is that. If I have actually made sense, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, just drop your comment. Any video you want me to make, I'll make the video for you guys. Thank you all.